They're crunchy, they're delicious, and they're highly nutritious. While green vegetables always steal the show when it comes to healthy eating, it's always good to switch up your diet by adding a bit of color. So, today, we're talking all about carrots and several reasons you should start eating more of them. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe for future contents. Now let's start the video. Number 1, a valuable source of nutrition. Carrots are rich in several vital antioxidants such as vitamins A, B, C, E and K. They also contain potassium, biotin, copper, and fiber, all valuable nutrients that can help reduce chronic inflammation in your body and keep you healthy. These substances can also lower the risk of getting a stroke or heart disease. The beta-carotene present in this vegetable may also prevent prostate cancer, breast cancer, and stomach cancer. At the same time, potassium can keep your blood pressure low. Carrots, therefore, boost your immune system by creating a protective shield against germs. Number 2, improving your eyesight. When it comes to maintaining eye health, carrots are one of the foods you need to eat more. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to loss of eyesight. Over time, this can develop into a much more severe problem and can even lead to night blindness. Regularly eating carrots will increase your intake of vitamin A and will, accordingly, protect you from the risk of getting cataracts or macular degeneration. Number 3, support healthy digestion. Since carrots are rich sources of fiber, they also help in maintaining our digestive system. Lack of fiber can cause several digestive problems, including diarrhea and constipation. The soluble and insoluble fiber in carrots can help regulate your digestion and save you from any discomfort. Number 4, give your beauty a natural boost. The vital vitamins we mentioned before also play an essential role in giving a natural boost to your beauty. Carrots can improve both the look and feel of your hair. Regularly eating carrots is bound to make your locks look shinier, thicker, and healthier. You'll also be able to smile brighter and broader than ever. Research has shown that chewing a carrot has the same effect as brushing your teeth. As carrots are high in plaque-fighting substances such as keratin and vitamin A, they can strengthen delicate tooth enamel and fight cavities simultaneously. Number 5, nourish your skin. You can also cut down on purchasing more expensive face creams because eating more carrots also gives your skin a healthy glow. The beta-carotene that is responsible for the orange color of these carrots results in brightening your skin. However, make sure that you don't eat way too many carrots all at once because that might cause your skin to turn to a yellowish-orange in color temporarily. Furthermore, this beta-carotene that converts into vitamin A in your body promotes soft, elastic, and healthy skin. As carrots are packed with potassium as well, they're a great remedy for treating dry skin. Regularly drinking carrot juice can keep your body and skin hydrated for a long time. And if you don't want to drink carrot juice, don't worry. You can apply the carrot pulp straight onto your skin to reduce any blemishes and scars you might have. And the benefits carrots have for your skin don't stop here. These nutrients protect our skin from the sun's rays and harmful radiation. They also repair skin tissues, hence, lowering the risk of getting skin cancer. In addition to this, they reduce the look of oily skin and give you an overall fresher look. With all this being said, it's apparent why you should add more carrots to your daily meal plans. Whether you add some chopped pieces to your salad or toss some shreds into your yogurt, any additional intake of this vegetable is bound to have a positive impact on your health and beauty. Thank you for watching to this point. Like and subscribe for more contents.